In this lecture, we are going to learn about scaling and affinity feature in Catia. We have this 3D part. Select scaling feature. First, select the reference point about which you want to scale. Select this face. Here, you can see the direction arrow. It will scale in this direction. Now, increase the ratio from here. It will scale up to 3 times in this direction. Now, change the reference point. Select this point. Now the part will scale about this point. Give ratio 2 times. Now you can see that the part is scaled to 2 times about the selected point. Give ratio 0.5 times. OK. Now you can see that the part is scaled to 0.5 times. So this is the scaling feature in Catia. Now we will learn about the another feature, that is affinity. Press Ctrl plus Z to undo and select affinity feature. There are different options, but first select the origin. Select this point as origin. This is y-axis, x-axis, and this is z-axis. Now select xy plane. Select xy plane. Now select x-axis. Now give different ratios in different axes. Increase ratio in x-axis. Now you can see that the part is scaled up to 2 times in x direction. Increase ratio in y direction. Now increase in z direction. OK. So this was the affinity feature in Catia.